Welcome to our comparison of two top all-season tires, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 and the Hankook Kinergy 4S2. Launched in 2023, the Turanza offers cutting-edge technology for enhanced comfort, durability, and all-weather traction. The Kinergy 4S2 is known for its exceptional grip, fuel efficiency, and adaptability. Let's dive into the details to see how they stack up. In wet conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 takes the lead. It stops from 100 km per hour in just 45 meters, outperforming the Hankook Kinergy 4S2, which requires 49.5 meters. The Turanza also excels in wet handling, maintaining an average speed of 74.7 km per hour compared to the Kinergy speed or 72.1 km per hour. Aquaplaning resistance is slightly better with the Turanza, ensuring a safer ride in heavy rain. On snowy roads, both tires deliver strong performances. For snow braking, both the Turanza All Season 6 and the Kinergy 4S2 require 23.1 meters to stop from 50 km per hour. In snow traction, the Turanza edges out slightly with a force of 2,660 newtons versus the Kinergy's 2,639 newtons. When it comes to handling, the Turanza maintains a slight advantage in average lap speed. In dry conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 shines with a stopping distance of 38.5 meters from 100 km per hour, compared to the Kinergy 4S2 stopping distance of 41.3 meters. It also handles better with an average lap speed of 88.8 km per hour versus the Kinergy speed of 87.8 km per hour. When it comes to longevity, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 takes the crown, lasting up to 60,300 kilometers, significantly outlasting the Turanza's 49,800 kilometers. This makes the Kinergy 4S2 a better choice for drivers looking for long-term durability. In terms of noise, both tires perform similarly, with the Turanza at 73.3 decibels and the Kinergy slightly quieter at 73.1 decibels. For rolling resistance and fuel efficiency, the Turanza All Season 6 outperforms the Kinergy 4S2 with lower rolling resistance and better fuel consumption rates, making it the more eco-friendly option. To sum it up, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 demonstrates superior performance in wet, dry, and snowy conditions, along with better fuel efficiency. However, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 excels in longevity, offering more mileage. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.